just take a look at this, guys. Take a look carefully, okay? This is the statistics, the detailed statistics for Valentine's Day every single year, all the way from 2004. And this has just been going all the way. It's dead every year, of course, but then it goes in February and it just goes bang, just goes boom, all the way up, right? So as you guys can see, all these trends have been going up. The most it was ever was in 2012, and probably because everybody thought the world was ending. Anyway, alright, so what's happening now is that February, it's about to start rising, and as you guys can see, oh boy, this is about to rise, and it's gonna blow all the way up. It's guaranteed. This trend is gonna go huge. So basically, you guys don't want to detail research this now. So if we look at the past 12 months, we're gonna go even more deeper. Alright, it's going up. It starts to go up around the 29th of Jan, and it keeps going up by 5th Feb, and then of course it peaks on the day itself, especially the week itself. So the week before and week after Valentine's Day is gonna be the main sales. So remember that before we start the video. Anyway, so if you look at the detailed analysis, you guys can see it's already starting to pick up. It's already started to pick up on December 18th. It's going up. And during New Year, it went a little bit down, but it's coming up again, up, and now, right now, it's also going up. It's starting to hit all the way up in the last 30 days. 1,000 subscribers, I think, yesterday. It's just crazy. We broke a 1K mark, and it's just insane to me, like. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe, dude. Like, I'm just gonna be adding more and more value, and eventually you're gonna feel guilty for not subscribing, so might as well do it right now. Anyway, let's get right in. You're gonna be able to make a lot of sales at higher prices, because people will buy because of emotion. Alright, so basically on Valentine's Day, if you choose the right product and you put it in for the right influencers, that's gonna get you a lot of sales, because what happens here is that there's an emotion attached, okay? There's an emotion attached to the Valentine's Day, because couples want to gift each other stuff, boyfriends want to buy stuff for their girlfriends, etc, etc. So there's a lot of emotion involved in Valentine's Day. Makes people want to buy things. For impulse buyers, there's going to be a lot more sales in general. Alright, this is the $50,000 Valentine's Day game plan, alright? Now, 50,000 might sound a little bit far-fetched, but what we're going to be doing is that this is going to be the number in sales, alright? So profit's going to be around 25 to 30K depending on your profit margins, okay? But mainly, realistically, what we're doing is that we're going to be taking the prime days from the 10th of the Feb to 27th of the Feb. What the fuck? But 27th until these 17 days are going to be enough to get you a lot more than $50,000, if you guys believe it or not. Because it's literally nothing if you guys are using the right products and for the right people. Let's talk about how we're going to be doing this, the step-by-step game plan, right now. So simply you can type couple and you're gonna get so many tags, and one of the biggest niches out there is couples. So you can type in couple and you can see the hashtags related to it, and just go and find different influencers like this. Yes, they have really good engagements. They have really good engagements on this page. Okay, this one's private, you can follow them. And if you scroll down, there's gonna be a ton of couple pages. Research all of these pages, find the highest influencer pages you can find. Look at this, there's small pages as well. You can ask them to do a free shout out for you, or you can just keep going on couple pages, different pages. Hold on, let me show you guys. Couple goals. There you guys go, a bigger page. So keep looking like this. They should have a really good engagement rate. How do you calculate the engagement rate? You go to this website, and the creator of this website did not get a fucking good idea for a name, but you can go on this website right here, as you guys can see, and just go over here, as you guys can. I'm gonna zoom it in for you. There you guys go. Alright, then you're gonna go over here and you're gonna type the engagements of the page. So for example, this page, we're gonna copy this thing name and boom. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, there you go. And to work faster, there we go, 2%. That's really not bad. So if you can find pages between 2 to 5%, that's gonna be really good. Note these pages down on a notepad or some shit like that, and then get the best page that you can find, and that's the one you're gonna be using. Alright, so once you found your influencer and you have a really good engagement influencer, where's the okay. Alright, once you have a good influencer, you gotta find a good product. And you wanna make sure that it's passionate, alright? And it's obviously gonna be passionate because it should be about girls or boys, people in relationships, because you're passionate about that. And that's gonna drive passion. If it doesn't, then they're not gonna buy. And if it does, you're gonna buy like crazy, because Valentine's Day, people just go crazy because your passion for love is on roids. Literally. By the way, the hashtag love is the most used hashtag on Instagram. So tap into that, tap into the hashtags, boost them, go viral. That's really gonna help you. That's just a bunch of more free value right there. Anyway, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna find stuff like necklaces, or you know, dresses, or any kind of I don't know, some kind of things which go well with couples, right? Rings, go creative, make print-on-demand products if you want. Go ahead. I have to make a guide on that. Anyway, you can go very creative in this, and there's a huge spectrum over here where you can go from the high price products over here to the low price products. You can go as high as $100 maybe per a dress, and you can go as low as free plus shipping necklace or some shit like that. So there, you know, a ring, maybe there's so many things you can do over here. And in the middle, you can keep upselling them. Hey, you like the ring? Might like the jacket, might like the dress, might like the hoodie, you know? Just keep upselling them. Keep giving them new products and keep making more money off of them, alright? So basically, product plus ads, and that's gonna be tested on multiple influencers, okay? Keep it simple. Keep it very simple. Once you find the winning influencer with a winning product, you're gonna know if it's selling or not, and the winning ad. This is the exact set, because if your product sold, that means both your influencer and ads are perfect. You know, it's winning, alright? So once you found this golden product and this golden influencer and the golden ad, you're gonna use this set, okay? And you're gonna make every single ad identical to it, right? It's going to be as similar as possible. Same amount of percent engagement ratio, and the orders for the product, and the same layout for the ad, okay? You can learn from your own self doing this, okay? Don't do it the exact same thing, or they're just gonna get used to it, okay? Try changing the font a bit, try changing the format, the design, change the ad copy. Alright, now you're basically gonna be buying in bulk. So before Valentine prices go up, you're gonna buy from like 5 posts from them, and it might cost you like $100 or maybe a little bit more, but the return is gonna be way over $1,000 or $2,000, okay? Even more, up to $5,000 per influencer. Seriously guys, if you buy in bulk, you're saving so much money. And with Valentine's Day combined with passion, that's just gonna be so much money. You guys cannot even start to understand how much of a profit it's gonna be once you have that passion tapped. And once you have all this ready, it's just gonna be like constantly posting your ads on Instagram, different Instagram pages. Like, let's say you post an influencer 1 today, and tomorrow you post an influencer 2, 3, 4, or maybe different products, different ads. Test different ads, test different products, see which one's making the most sales, right? It's all about testing in the end. So if influencer 3 is spending more sales, spend $100. If the number 1 is not, drop it. Like, it's all about testing, right? And that is it. That's the 50K Valentine's Day game plan. So pretty much all you're doing is that you're finding good influencers. You're testing hot selling products on them which drive passion for boyfriends and girlfriends. Then you're upselling them more products to make sure you're making a lot of money. This in itself is gonna get you like $30,000 to $40,000 if you do it properly in sales. And once you've done with that, you just maximize this all the way to 50K, 60K, 100K. And how you do that is by retargeting ads, email list marketing, and abandonment protector. That's all you do, guys. This is the entire game plan for Valentine's Day, given to you guys for free. It's just that simple. Anyway, I really hope you guys found some value in this. Make sure you guys research on this, find your products, find your influencers, line them up, because their prices are gonna increase near Valentine's Day. So please don't get ripped off by them. And yeah, pretty much. Make sure you guys subscribe. We hit 1,000 subscribers once again. And comment down below what you guys want the next video to be, or what kind of videos you guys want to watch, if anything I missed. My Instagram is Nick_ambitious, and make the best out of this first quarter. And yeah, peace out, guys.